Alright guys, and welcome back. Right, in today's video I'm going to do a quick 5-minute summary of my recent Aston Martin build. Now this isn't just any old Aston Martin, this was the cheapest V12 Aston Martin in the UK. So, sit back, enjoy, and obviously if you like this, let me know by leaving a comment below and hitting that subscribe button. And obviously if you do want to see more, go in the Aston Martin playlist and you can see the full videos. Enjoy guys. So we're going to rewind 6 months. I bought this Aston DB7 Vantage as a Category S insurance write-off. So there was damage to both front wings, the offside headlight and the panel around it, the subframe mounts which caused significant setback issues, and obviously the front bumper. So first off, I stripped the car, I straightened the bent metalwork and replaced the subframe mount. I then managed to source a second-hand headlight and got it to fit just right. The offside wheel arch was quite corroded, so I cleaned it back, H-primered it, I Gravitexed it, I gave it a good coat of base coat and then a good coat of lacquer, so it now looks really nice again. So rather than spending £2 on a second-hand used bumper that hadn't been repaired, I decided to fix what I already had. So I used a combination of 2K body adhesives, fiberglass and mesh, and the end result was a very strong bumper costing around 50 quid. Not bad, eh? Once I was happy with the structural integrity of the bumper, I moved on to making the new reproduction wing fit. It needed quite a lot of filling and trimming and fettling, but we got there in the end. So, while that's drying, I am going to try and smooth this bumper out a little bit now. Really chuffed for that. That headlight fits better than a lot of factory Aston Martins, if I'm going to be complete. I then started the laborious job of smoothing all the repairs on the front bumper with 2K bumper filler. Now this is much more flexible than normal stuff and actually goes on a lot better if I'm honest. Once all that was done, I gave it a good few coats of high build, I flattened it back, applied a couple of coats of base coat, then several coats of lacquer. Look at that shine. Now look at that. Really good line there, really chuffed for that. Now on to painting the wing. So exactly the same process as the bumper. Sanded it, primed it, sanded it, painted it, lacquered it. Beautiful. Now the offside side skirt was also damaged, not too bad. So I just repaired the edge with some fiberglass, shaped it properly, primed it, then carried out a smart repair on the paint. So I blended in the original paint with the new paint. I then gave everything a couple of weeks to harden. Then I refitted the wings and bumper. Now it's starting to look like a complete car again. I gave it a really good wet flat, machine polish. Finally, I could then fit all the little bits of trim and bits and bobs. And the final bit of trim. And finally, the trusty Aston Martin badge. Now look at that. Looks brand new again and smells beautiful. Very, very happy with that. See to the rest of the interior. This, guys, comparison. So this bit's been clean, that hasn't. It didn't look dirty before, but You can really tell the difference, can't you? Looks much better. Once all that was done, I gave the interior a really good clean. And there we have it, guys, the UK's cheapest V12 Aston Martin back on the road for a grand total of 1,600 quid. Now, the insurance quoted £31,000 to fix that car, and I saved £29,400 doing it myself. And that wraps up my 5-minute summary video of my Aston V12. If you like that, please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment and hitting the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, guys. Goodbye.